Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to redeem a Google Play gift card. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Next, tap on Redeem Code. Now enter the code from your gift card. If you have a physical gift card, you can tap on Scan and your camera will open so you can scan the code. Or you can enter the code manually. If you have a digital gift card, like in my case, you can't scan it, so just copy the code and paste it into the Redeem field. After entering the code, tap on Redeem. You will see a confirmation showing the amount added to your account. Tap Confirm to finish the process. The balance will now be added to your Google Play account, and you can use it to buy apps, games, movies, or other content. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed your Google Play gift card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.